Narinig yung sounds of nature. Madalas dyan po ako maghintay. Yan. Naghintay sa Grab. Yan. At dun yun po ang tambayan namin during lunchtime. Tapos naglalakad po kami dyan hanggang dun sa dulo, sa may Manong. Yan. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Yan. 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 Commerce Center. Doon siya. Okay, bye-bye. I just want to feel the sounds of nature, which is the crickets. And then the other one is the sounds of the birds chirping. Oh, this is the God's creature. Good morning and have a good day. Have a blessed day. God bless everyone.